Ever stared at your RingCentral app, ready to connect with someone, and thought, okay, how do I actually make a call here? If you've ever felt a moment of hesitation, or perhaps you're just new to RingCentral and want to master its calling capabilities, you're in the right place. RingCentral is more than just a phone system. It's a comprehensive communication platform designed to simplify how you connect with colleagues, clients, and anyone else you need to reach. But with so many features, sometimes the simplest action, making a call, can feel a little overwhelming at first. Don't worry, by the end of this video you'll be a RingCentral calling pro, navigating its various methods with ease and confidence. We're going to break down every way you can initiate a call on RingCentral, whether you're at your desk, on the go, or integrating with other powerful tools. We'll cover everything from the basics of direct dialing to leveraging your contacts, call history, and even specialized features like click-to-dial. By understanding these different approaches, you'll be able to choose the most efficient and convenient way to connect, no matter the situation. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your RingCentral calling experience. The most fundamental way to make a call on RingCentral, whether you're using the desktop app, the mobile app, or a physical desk phone, is through direct dialing. It's just like using a traditional phone, but with the added intelligence of RingCentral's cloud-based system. Let's start with the RingCentral desktop app. Once you've launched the application and logged in, you'll typically see a dial pad icon, often resembling a phone's numeric keypad. Clicking this will bring up a virtual dial pad. Here you can simply type in the phone number you wish to call, including the area code if it's an external number. For internal extensions within your organization, you can often just dial the extension number directly. After entering the number, hit the green call button, and your call will be initiated. It's straightforward and familiar. Moving on to the RingCentral mobile app, the process is very similar. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet, and you'll find a dial pad icon, usually at the bottom of the screen or within a phone tab. Tap on it, enter the number, and press the call button. The beauty of the mobile app is that it turns your personal device into a powerful business phone, allowing you to make and receive calls using your business number, even when you're away from your desk. For those who prefer a more traditional setup, physical desk phones integrated with RingCentral operate just like any other business phone. Simply pick up the handset or activate the speakerphone, dial the number using the physical keypad, and press send or the call button. The magic happens behind the scenes, with RingCentral handling the routing and connection through its cloud infrastructure. Beyond direct dialing, RingCentral offers incredibly efficient ways to call people from your existing contacts. This is where the platform truly shines, saving you time and reducing the chances of misdialing. Within both the desktop and mobile apps, you'll find a dedicated contacts section. This section typically syncs with your company directory, your personal RingCentral contacts, and can even integrate with external contact sources like Google Contacts or Microsoft Outlook. To call someone from your contacts, simply navigate to this section, search for the person's name, and once you find them, you'll usually see a prominent call icon next to their name or within their contact details. A single click or tap will initiate the call. This method is not only faster but also ensures you're calling the correct person every time. Another incredibly useful feature is the Calls or Call History tab. Life happens, and sometimes you need to quickly call back someone you just spoke with, or perhaps a number you missed. This tab provides a chronological list of all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. To redial a number, simply locate it in your call history and click or tap the call icon associated with that entry. It's a quick and easy way to reconnect without having to remember or re-enter the number. Now, let's talk about a truly powerful feature for boosting productivity. Click-to-dial. Imagine browse a website, an email, or a document and seeing a phone number. Instead of manually typing it into your phone, RingCentral's click-to-dial functionality allows you to simply click on the number, and RingCentral will automatically initiate the call for you. This feature often comes in the form of a browser extension or a native integration with certain applications. Once enabled, RingCentral intelligently detects phone numbers on web pages or within supported programs. A simple click then triggers your RingCentral app to dial that number. This is a massive time saver for sales professionals, customer support agents, or anyone who frequently dials numbers from their computer. To set this up, you usually need to install the RingCentral browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and ensure RingCentral is set as your default calling application in your system settings. RingCentral also provides options for extension dialing, which is particularly useful in larger organizations. If you know a colleague's internal extension, you can dial it directly to reach them without going through the main company number or navigating complex menus. This makes internal communication incredibly efficient. For international communication, RingCentral has you covered. Making international calls through RingCentral is typically more cost-effective than traditional landlines and is handled seamlessly. You'll generally follow the standard international dialing format: exit code, country code, area code, if applicable, and then the local number. RingCentral's robust network ensures clear connections for your global outreach. Beyond these direct methods, RingCentral offers more advanced calling functionalities that enhance your overall communication experience. One such feature is the ability to flip a call between devices. Imagine you're on a call on your desk phone, but you need to leave the office. With a quick tap in the RingCentral mobile app, you can seamlessly transfer the live call to your mobile device without interrupting the conversation. This provides incredible flexibility and ensures you can stay connected no matter where you are. Similarly, RingCentral allows for call parking, a useful feature for teams. You can park an active call in a virtual holding spot, and then any other team member with access to that parking spot can pick up the call from their own RingCentral device. This is great for transferring calls to specific departments or for collaborative problem solving. For managing multiple incoming calls or ensuring you're available when needed, call handling rules are a lifesaver. You can configure RingCentral to forward calls to different numbers, send them to voicemail, or play custom announcements based on your availability, time of day, or even the caller's identity. This allows you to maintain professionalism and ensure calls are routed efficiently, even when you're busy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.